Thanks for coming to my channel. So this is the power supply that I purchased and took apart, and I've been doing a little research trying to find the schematic for it. So I've reached out to the company. I haven't gotten the schematic yet, and so I just wanted to kind of show y'all this. I'm not going to do anything else to it until I get the schematic, because as you can see here, they put a wire inside here and then soldered back over it, like the traces got blown, and then they added just resistors in here, and then these copper jumpers. And as you can see right here, capacitor resistor, more resistors. Then over here they have resistors jumping across between these two traces. So I'm not quite sure if it's even worth, even if I get the schematics, because I'll show you whenever I flip over. But I don't know exactly, they may have made it push power through it, but I would hate to inject voltage into a piece of equipment without a known good power supply. So you can see where they repaired some traces here on the back. I hope that shows. See, that's what a normal trace looks like. That's that green underneath there. They soldered on top of it to fix a trace. So whatever happened to this thing was pretty catastrophic, I would say. So I'm gonna flip it over, show you the other side, and please like and subscribe, and any comments are welcome. I said maybe I'll try to rebuild this thing from scratch, and once I get the schematics for it. But like, they remove components and never put the components back, so I don't know exactly what their thinking was behind it. As you can see here, you can see where that trace, they just soldered a wire straight on top. There's one as well. Now, I don't mind fixing something if it's got stuff like that, but whenever it's missing components that were soldered on there from the factory, and then they made it work, I just don't think it's going to be reliable unless I can get the schematic and then work on it from there. If any of y'all have the schematic for this one, then please let me know in the comments, or if you've got pictures, a picture would help out tremendously as well too. But so I'm gonna set this one to the side until I can come up with that, and I've got a few other projects that I'm working on that I'll do some videos for y'all, and I look forward to sharing with you. And remember, please like and subscribe, and any comments are welcome. Thanks.